Now being loaded, all set, racing. Jazz is started with Chikatsu. Break weak, let us start. Luna Rosa in second. Brazilian Babe, Scout Ranger, Legacy. Then followed over by Maaliwalas, while Ifira is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Chikatsu by about 2 lengths. And in second is Scout Ranger, Luna Rosa in third. Brazilian Babe in the middle portion. Legacy comes next. Moving up on the outside, Maaliwalas, while Ifira is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Chikatsu maintaining a length and a half lead. Luna Rosa now trying to get closer in second. And in third, Brazilian Babe. Legacy is on the outside, Scout Ranger, Maaliwalas, while Ifira is still racing in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Chikatsu by about half length. Luna Rosa is on the outside. Then next online now is Legacy moving up on the outside, Maaliwalas, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Luna Rosa takes command. Chikatsu drops back in second. Legacy, Maaliwalas, Brazilian Babe in the middle. Last 100 meters, we have Luna Rosa, this time by about 4 lengths over Maaliwalas. And finally, it's Luna Rosa, Maaliwalas, Legacy. Then comes Brazilian Babe, Chikatsu.
Magaling talaga siya sa unang takbo.
Yan.
4.8531.